chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is ELSSICA here today, and I'll be showing you this makeup look, which I call it the sweet pink makeup look. Let's begin with the base makeup. Again, I'll be using this BB cream from Dr. Jarts, and I'm just applying it with my fingers. I feel like applying it with my fingers is the easiest and most effective method in applying BB cream. For the eyebrows, I'll be shaping my eyebrow first with this one from Etude House, like so. Next, I'll be filling my eyebrows with this Drawing Slim Eyebrow Pencil from Etude House. Using a Q-tip like so to blend the front portion of my eyebrows. I'll be contouring my face with this shade from Innisfree. This shade is lighter than the usual bronzer that I used because I wanted to create a very soft contour to match it with the look that I'm going for today. For the eyes, firstly I'll be applying this base color from Etude House. As you can tell by the name of this eyeshadow base, the name is called the Air Mousse. The texture of this shadow is like a mousse type, so it's best to apply this shade with my finger and apply it all over my eyes and under my eyes. As usual, I always forgot to apply my brow cara, so here I am using the one that I normally use from Etude House to match my hair color. This will also help to soften my overall look. I'll be applying this pink shade from Etude House all over my eyes and under my eyes. For the next product is called the Bling Cheek from W.Lab. First, I'll be applying this color and concentrating the color on my eyelids and under my eyes to deepen the shape of my eyelids. And then using the darkest pink shade and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes to make my eyes to appear longer. Mixing these two lightest color and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes and the half front portion of my eyes. Next, I'll be using this shimmer purplish brown shade from Innisfree to apply it on the outer corner of my eyes to elongate my eyes and at the outer area of under my eyes to create more dimensions to my eyes. As usual, I'll be curling my lashes with this one from Shimmer. For this look, I'll be using a reddish brown eyeliner to fill in my lashes and create a soft wing at the edge of my eyes. I'll be using a brown color mascara for the eyelashes and apply it on my under lashes as well. Moving on to the cheek, I'll be using this pink shadow again for the cheek. This one is from Etude house. And to create a more sweet kind of look, I'm just gonna be applying it at the more towards the center of my cheeks. For the highlighter, I'll be using these two lighter shades and apply it on my cheekbones, nose bridge, and my cupid bow. Lastly, for the lips, I'll be using this lip tint from PeriPera. And to soften the color, I added this shimmery color on top of my lids to kind of soften the look. This is the one from W.Lab that I used previously for my highlighter and for my eyes. And I'm done for today's look. This look is perfect for both Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day. I hope it allows you to have a new idea on how you can rock on these kind of pink shadows. That's all for today and see you in my next video. Bye!
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know.